the journey begins. I'm just boarding this British Airways flight to London, and from there I'm flying to Bogota in Colombia. I'm gonna miss this place. Gonna miss Dublin, but it's a new journey start. I'm looking forward to it. Let's do it. So I'm just off my flight from Heathrow to Bogota, and it's a massive airport. I'm trying to navigate my way through. It's 3:30 in the morning, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just find somewhere to sleep for a while, and then in the morning I'm going to make my way into the city, maybe in about 2 or 3 hours. But yeah, I feel great. I feel great. Say hi. So day 2, I've come to the botanical gardens with a couple of friends that I've met. Here they are.
Hi, I'm Emma and I'm from York, the amazing God's Own country.
Hi, I'm Tom, I'm from Essex, not God's Own country, but yeah.
We're gonna get to see some South American plants and stuff. What is it? What did you say it is? It's like a zoo for plants.
Zoo for plants, that's the one. My name's Langley DeWitt. I'm from California and I studied applied math in university.
Barrientro!
How's that, Ryan? How's that? Delicioso.
So we were looking for a place with tequila. We found a place earlier. It was 15,000 for one tequila. We found this place 4,000. 4,000 tequilas later. So we're just about to climb this, what is it, a mountain? Is it a hill?
It's a mountain.
No.
3,000 meters high.
3,000 meters. Let's do it. 350 meters up. Another 2,000 to go. I'm already wrecked. So I think we're pretty much getting close to halfway. I think. We're taking like 20 stops so far. We're gonna make it. We'll get there. It's a tough climb. We just got to the top of Montserrate and we've had some food. It wasn't that tasty. We got our generic photo on the stump and we're about to make our way back down the mountain. So I've done 3 days in Bogota, and my friend Abby said to me this morning, why don't we go to this desert called Tatacoa? So we came to the bus station and we're getting the 9 o'clock bus. It's going to be a 6-hour journey, but Bogota was amazing. It's really nice art, nice people, good dancing. We found a really nice bar. And yeah, it was really lovely. The hike yesterday was amazing. Looking forward to going into the heat now, so it'll be a little bit warmer. But yeah, Bogota was amazing.